If you accidentally deleted a note on your iPhone, you can always recover it whether you have a backup for that note or whether you don't have a backup. I'll show you exactly how to recover it in both methods. Now, of course, open up the Notes app first. From the Notes app, tap on the back arrow at the top left until you get to a screen that looks like this. On here, open up the iCloud folder and tap on Recently Deleted. Now, you can always get back a recently deleted folder or basically a note because it says it keeps it for 30 days. So tap on Edit at the top right, choose which note you want to recover, and then tap on Move at the bottom left, and just move it to your Notes folder. Just like that, you have recovered it. But it does say it's permanently deleted after 40 days. But that is no problem because we can also go through the process of recovering it if it's been backed up to iCloud. I'll show you how to do that. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone, tap on your name at the top, and then tap on iCloud midway down. From here, tap on Save to iCloud, and then tap on Notes. I would recommend toggling this off because it says, are you sure you want to delete them? All iCloud notes will be removed from your phone, which is okay because if they're on the iCloud, it'll keep them on the iCloud. And then all we're going to do is toggle this back on and it will re-download all of those iCloud notes back onto your iPhone. You can just open up the Notes app and it will start to sync up everything just like that. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.